Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a natural remedy that can help you glow your skin in just 7 days. And also this remedy can also help you to clear up your acne. So if you have an acne prone skin, this video is for you. So just keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe. So I'm going to go ahead to show you these items I'm going to be using. There are things you can find in your kitchen or you can get from a grocery store. They are not expensive. They're so inexpensive. So you can actually afford this item. So the first I'm going to be using, I'm going to talk about this bad baby right here. This is the apple cider vinegar and it's actually the mother one and it's organic. So this thing has great benefits. So this is the main item I'm going to be using. The main ingredient for this face toner that I'm going to be showing you today is actually a face cleanser. So a face cleanser or face toner, whichever you choose to call it. So but this is what I'm going to be using. This is the main ingredient for this recipe. So I'm going to be talking about apple cider vinegar today and its benefits. It has benefits both for your skin and for your health. So let me tell you a little bit about the health benefits. Apple cider has lots of healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. It also helps to improve your sugar level. It also helps to lower your cholesterol levels. It reduces the risks of having a heart disease. It also helps to improve your hair and it's also a source of probiotics. So those are some of the health benefits that apple cider vinegar has. So now let's move to the skin, which of course is what we're talking about today. Apple cider helps to heal sunburn. So if you expose yourself to a lot of sun rays and you get home, apple cider vinegar is your best friend. All you need to do is use it as a face toner or as a face cleanser. So it also helps to improve your skin tone. It's not magic, so it's not something that's going to work in 1 or 2 or 3 days. You have to use this for at least 7 days to get a reasonable result. So it also helps to fight wrinkles. And if you're using apple cider vinegar for wrinkles or for fine lines, you have to use it directly without mixing it with water. You just dab the apple cider vinegar and place it on that spot where you have the wrinkle and leave it for 30 minutes. Then you rinse out with cool water. It also soothes and exfoliates your skin. It helps to prevent acne and pimples, and also it helps to balance and regulate the pH level of your skin. So welcome back again. I just finished talking about this, and don't forget it also helps to fight age spots. This is your best friend. And the second item I'm going to be using for this video is so heavy. It's my distilled water. You need your distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can use your tap water or whatever kind of water you have. Bottled water, tap water, distilled water. Water is water. So just use any one you have, but I'm using this for the mixture. Then the other thing I'm going to be using is my container. So this is what I'm going to be using to do the mixture today. So I'm going to fill this up with my apple cider. So right here, I have my apple cider vinegar and I have it halfway. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest part with water. So when you're done, this is what it should look like. This will go into your refrigerator and stay in there. Anytime you want to use this, you bring it out and use it. But it has to remain in your refrigerator to keep it safe. So you know it's still good and potent for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to apply this. So thank you for watching, and I hope you try this out, especially if you are suffering from acne and you have a lot of breakouts, like some of us that do break out once in a while, or you have a terrible or severe acne. So this is your best friend. Don't forget you have to store this in the fridge, and this could last for like 7 to 14 days, 2 weeks. It depends. So I make it a lot so it can last me for like at least 2 weeks. So I use it morning and night. So don't forget that's how you should use it, morning and night, to get better results. And truthfully, you find out that 7 days from now, your skin will start glowing and your acne scars will reduce drastically. So I've used this recipe before back in the past, and it worked for me. My skin was glowing, it was beautiful, and I stopped. But now I started using this again, and I just want to use this for 7 days straight to see the results again. And I'll put a picture of my before and after, so you see the difference between then and now and 7 days later, to show you how the results is. But trust me when I say it works, it really works. So don't forget to try this out if you're breaking out or you're fighting age spots. If you're fighting age spots, acne, wrinkle, fine lines, anything at all, this will work for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment at the bottom section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.